Once upon a time, in a busy market street, there was a tiny shop squeezed between a clothing stall and a fruit seller. The sign above it was faded, but if you looked closely, it said, "Rahim Shoe Repair." Rahim was old. His hair was white, his hands were rough, and his back bent a little from years of leaning over shoes. All day long, people came and dropped their worn-out shoes on his counter. Fix the sole, replace the heel. Can you make them look new? They never asked, "How are you, Rahim?" They just wanted their shoes. Rahim didn't mind. He simply smiled and said, "Come back tomorrow." But there was something no one knew about him. Under his table, beside his box of nails and glue, Rahim kept a small stack of paper and a blunt pencil. When he finished repairing a pair of shoes, he would write a tiny note, fold it, and slip it inside an insole, or tucked into the side where only the wearer would find it. He never signed his name. He never told anyone. His notes said things like, "You are stronger than yesterday. One small step still counts as a step. The road is long, but so are you." On a rainy evening, a young woman named Asha rushed into his shop. Her office shoes were completely worn out at the bottom. "If I trip one more time, I'll get fired," she sighed. "Can you fix these today? Please, uncle." Rahim looked at the shoes. The leather was tired, but still good. "I'll try," he said. "Come back after sunset." He worked carefully, replacing the sole, polishing the leather until it shone. Then he took a piece of paper and wrote, "You are not walking alone, even if it feels like it." He folded the note and slipped it deep under the insole. Asha came back just as the sky turned dark. "Perfect," she said, slipping them on quickly. "How much?" Rahim told her a smaller price than usual. When she protested, he just smiled. "You walk a lot," he said. "Consider it a discount for distance." The next morning, Asha was hurrying to work, running late, her mind full of stress. On the train, she felt something small scratching her heel. Annoyed, she took off her shoe. She found the note. "You are not walking alone, even if it feels like it." She read it once, then again. For some reason, her eyes filled with tears. She lived alone in a rented room, worked long hours, and sent most of her money home. Many days she felt invisible, just another body in a crowded train. She looked around now and saw other tired faces, other worn-out shoes, other people carrying silent worries. For the first time, she thought, maybe we're all walking together and just don't see it. She folded the note and kept it in her wallet. Weeks passed. More people started talking about strange little messages found in their repaired shoes. A rickshaw driver found, "Your work matters, even if no one says it." A school teacher found, "One kind word can change a whole day." A delivery boy found, "Your tired feet are proof that you don't give up." No one knew where they came from. Some called it magic, some called it luck. Rahim just kept working, head down, smile soft. One day, his landlord came to the shop. "They're building a mall here," he said. "All these small shops will be gone in a month." "I'm sorry," Rahim nodded. He felt something squeeze in his chest, but he didn't argue. He went back to his shoes. On his last day, people came with flowers and sweets. "We heard your closing," they said. "You fixed my father's shoes for years. You helped me when I had no money. I still keep your note in my pocket." Rahim looked around, surprised. He had always thought he was just a man in a tiny shop, patching leather that would only get worn again. He hadn't realized that, step by small step, his quiet words had walked with hundreds of people through their hardest days. As he locked his shop for the final time, he looked down at the street full of footsteps and smiled. "I only ever fixed shoes," he thought. "But maybe I also helped fix the people inside them." Moral of the story: you don't have to be rich or famous to leave a mark. Even the smallest job done with care and kindness can quietly change someone's journey. The world may only see what you do with your hands, but lives are often moved by what you leave in people's hearts.